We will field 4 candidates, and this election will be a true test of who is with the BJP and who is against the BJP. BJP has 28 MLAs. Anybody who abstains or votes in favor of the BJP, it will be well known to people. They will know who the true friends of the BJP are and who the opponents of the BJP are. Doodh ka doodh, pani ka pani.
So BJP is saying that they will win 3 Rajya Sabha seats.
BJP cannot win 3 Rajya Sabha seats without doing horse trading. BJP cannot even win 1 seat without horse trading. They need 30 to win the 4th seat.
Right.
They have 28. There is not a single MLA other than the 28 who are with the BJP that has shown any support for the BJP up until now in the last 1 year. Which means if they are claiming they are going to win 3 seats, it is money power, muscle power and the power of the agencies. Let us see. अगर वाकई डरा धमका के या खरीद के वो इलेक्शन जीतना चाहते हैं तो फिर वो साबित कर रहे हैं कि जो लोग बिहार में कह रहे हैं वो सही है. Otherwise today, as numbers go, BJP is not in a position to win even 1 seat. That's why I said in the beginning, this Rajya Sabha election will show us who the friends of the BJP are and who the opponents of the BJP. Anyone who abstains is a friend of the BJP, and obviously anyone who votes for the BJP is a friend of the BJP. Because in 3 out of the 4 elections, there are candidates against the BJP. Now let's see what people do.